RNA sequencing, RNA-Seq, is a powerful, high-throughput technology used to study the complete transcriptome of an organism. The transcriptome represents all RNA molecules, including messenger RNA, mRNA, non-coding RNA, and small RNAs, expressed in a cell or tissue at a specific developmental stage or under particular environmental conditions. Unlike traditional gene expression techniques such as microarrays, RNA-Seq does not rely on prior sequence knowledge, making it a highly accurate, sensitive, and unbiased method for transcriptome profiling. In this video, we explore the principles of RNA sequencing, its workflow, and its critical applications in genome-wide analysis of gene families in plants, a key area in modern plant genomics and bioinformatics. The RNA-Seq workflow begins with the isolation of high-quality RNA from plant tissues such as leaves, roots, flowers, or seeds. Because plant cells contain secondary metabolites that can interfere with RNA extraction, careful sample preparation is essential. The extracted RNA is then converted into complementary DNA, cDNA, using reverse transcription. This cDNA is fragmented, adapters are added, and the resulting library is sequenced using next-generation sequencing, NGS, platforms such as Illumina. Once sequencing is complete, millions of short reads are generated. These reads are subjected to quality control, trimming, and filtering before being aligned to a reference genome or assembled de novo. Bioinformatic analysis then quantifies gene expression levels, commonly measured as FPKM, TPM, or raw read counts. This digital nature of RNA-Seq data allows precise comparison of expression levels across genes, tissues, treatments, and developmental stages. One of the most important applications of RNA-Seq in plant biology is genome-wide analysis of gene families. Gene families consist of groups of genes that share a common evolutionary origin and often perform related biological functions. Examples include transcription factor families, MYB, BHLH, WRKY, stress-responsive gene families, disease resistance genes, and enzymes involved in secondary metabolism. RNA-Seq enables researchers to determine which members of a gene family are actively expressed, where they are expressed, and under what conditions. For example, during drought, salinity, or pathogen stress, RNA-Seq can identify specific gene family members that are upregulated or downregulated. This functional differentiation among paralogous genes is crucial for understanding gene family expansion, specialization, and evolutionary adaptation in plants. In genome-wide studies, RNA-Seq data are often integrated with gene annotation and phylogenetic analysis. Expression profiles derived from RNA-Seq help validate predicted genes and distinguish functional genes from pseudogenes. Heat maps, expression clustering, and co-expression networks are commonly used to visualize and interpret gene family expression patterns across multiple samples. RNA-Seq also plays a major role in identifying tissue-specific and stage-specific expression of gene families. For instance, certain gene family members may be expressed only during flowering, seed development, or fruit ripening. Understanding these patterns provides insight into regulatory mechanisms and helps link gene families to agronomically important traits. Another key application is the discovery of novel genes and alternative splicing events within gene families. RNA-Seq can reveal new isoforms and transcript variants that are not detectable through genome annotation alone. This is especially valuable in plants with complex genomes or recent polyploidization events. Overall, RNA sequencing has transformed plant genomics by enabling comprehensive transcriptome analysis at a genome-wide scale. When applied to gene family studies, RNA-Seq provides functional evidence that complements evolutionary and structural analyses. This integrated approach is essential for crop improvement, stress tolerance research, and understanding the molecular basis of plant growth and development. This video is ideal for students, researchers, and bioinformatics enthusiasts who want a clear and practical understanding of RNA-Seq and its applications in plant gene family analysis, bridging wet lab biology with computational genomics.